Learn English. Hello everyone. Welcome to the English 8K Vocabulary School. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. It's Monday, January 6th. Show number 6. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. The first one is a place where you learn things after high school. And number 2 is a beautiful country near America. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob goes to university every day. Bob goes to university every day. University. We also say college. Do you go to university now? Let me know in the comments. Now let's make a flashcard for university. Please write university up here in the top left corner. UNIVERSITY. Down here in the bottom left corner, CT1. This means city, level 1. And over here the number 50 out of 50. And up here in the top right corner, please write the IPA. I will show you the IPA now. Remember, the J in the IPA sounds like a Y. U, nit, ver, s, t, university. Now, word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is in Mexico now. Jennifer is in Mexico now. Mexico. It is a beautiful country with friendly people near America. Now let's make a flashcard for Mexico. Please write Mexico up here in the top left corner. Down here in the bottom left corner, the category is country, level 1. Over here in this corner, the number 14 out of 26. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Mexico. Mexico. Class over. It's time to go. Today we learned. Very good. This is a school after high school. It's usually quite big. And the country? Very nice. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The first one is a road that you have to pay money to use. Number 2 is the opposite of the best. That's right. And number 3 just means to do something. We use this word together with on. See you tomorrow, everybody. Bye-bye.